So let us discuss what is the basics of the word processing in the third unit. BCom CA first year first semester. So this one word processing is an application program that allows you to create letters and tables. Okay, what we can do with the Word, MS Word, we can create the letters. We can also create the tables. Tables is nothing but a table is a collection of rows and columns. So like this, the table will be. You can store some data. Okay, so we are giving some important points about what the word is used for. If you look at the second point, using this application program, we can add pictures, tables, and charts. What are the other things that I can do? You can add some pictures into the document, Word document. Also tables, which is already covered in the first point, of course, and charts. Do you know what is a chart? So you can draw a chart between the two quantities on the x and y axis. There are different kind of charts, like this is called as the bar chart. We also have a pie chart where a circle which is of 360 degrees area will be divided into different portions. This is called as what? Pie chart. What is this? PIE, pie chart, and this is called as a bar chart. These charts are used to represent the correlation or the relation. They are used to give a relation between the two different quantities. Okay, for example, if you can take an example, for example, if I want to know what are the sales of the company in the years, okay, these are nothing but, let us say, sales, and these are nothing but, say, years, something like 1980, and this is 1981, and next one is 1982, let us say. Okay, in 1980, what are the sales? Let us say it is 10k, that is 10,000. And in 1981, what is the sales? Let us say it is 20,000. Okay, you are going to draw a graph. It's just like a graph. You are going to draw between the two quantities, two different quantities. We are going to correlate them. So we are going to establish a relation. So we are going to study what is the graph. Okay, whether the sales are increasing or decreasing. We are going to analyze the, okay, profit of an organization by using this particular graph. So in order to design those kind of charts also, we can use the word processor. So what are the other things? Different operating system. So see here, we can also check spelling and grammar. For example, you have written a letter and you want to check whether the letter has mistakes or it does not have any mistake. You want to check. Then also what you are going to do? You are going to do the spelling and errors, mistakes. Okay, there is a spell checker. By using the key, we have to use one key. What is the name of the key? Something like F7 you can use. Okay, by using the F7 key, you can check the spelling of each and every word in the document that you have written. Okay, so in MS Word, each page is called as a document. So go for the fourth point. Different operating system have different word processing software. This the kind of software, of course, every not only MS Word, we have different other word processing softwares are there. If you take text, what is that? Text processing software like Notepad, it is going to have some features. Okay, but the Word has more features when compared to the Notepad. So going for the next feature, in the exam they are going to ask you uh, about the introduction and what are the applications of the word processing. So you are going to write all these things. DOS, sorry, DOS operating uses word star. So what he said, different operating systems, okay, different operating system have different word processing software, he said. For that he is giving the example here. So DOS operating system uses what? Word star. Okay, the Mac operating system uses the Microsoft Word. All are word processing softwares only. Okay, but word processors are available online also. Online also we have a word processor. What are the names of the online word processors that you can use? Google Docs and PDF text. What is mean by word processor? A word processor is nothing but which processes the words. Okay, which processes the words. Processes means which work on the words. Okay, which works on the words. That is called as the word processing software. Okay, the input that you can give to that word processing software is only words only. You cannot give something like 1 2 3. Of course, that is also converted to text, right? So you can give any kind of text that is available on the keyboard, right? Keyboard buttons, right? See here, what is the word processing software used by DOS? WordStar. What is the word processing software used by Mac OS? Microsoft Word. What is the word processor that is used in the online Google Docs and PDF text? So actually MS Office, actually this MS Word is a part of what? MS Office is a actually a package or a software. As I already told you, MS Office is a package, and under that package we have different kind of programs like MS Word and Excel. MS Excel, MS means Microsoft, PowerPoint. Okay, all those things are there, right? That's what it is said in that. It uses graphical user interface. So it uses what? Graphical user interface. As you can see the window of this one, it is a graphical user interface, right? Everything is graphical here. We already know what is a graphical user interface. What are the features of MS Word? Okay, a document can be created and modified. As you know, we can reformat the document, means we can change the decoration. Formatting means what? Decoration. We can reformat it, we can change the size, we can change the color and everything. Okay, we can do some modifications. Formatting options includes changing the size and color, the same which I have told you. Various tools are provided as a part of Word document, like spell check. What are the other options? Spelling check and mail merge is there. Okay, for sending multiple copies of the same document to different addresses. Do you know what is mean by mail merge? You will come to know whenever we ask. For example, I have written a letter and I want to send to 10 people the same letter. Then what I will do, I will take the email addresses of all the people, like first person, second person and the third person and the 10th person. I will merge them, I will merge the mail. So it is called as what? Mail merge. After merging them, what I'm going to do, I'm sending the document to the that merged mail, so that the same document can be sent to so many people. For example, if you take any of the software organization or something recruiting company, it is going to send the notification or the recruitment details. Okay, the upcoming recruitment details to all the people who have applied for it. So how it is doing? It is using by helping using the it is done by using the mail merge concept only. So mail merge is one of the powerful concepts of MS Word. Of course, we are not going to discuss mail merge and everything in the FIT. It may be discussed in the BCS. Here we are only giving the basics. We are not going into the detail of the topic. So what are the other things? Okay, it also has tables, charts. Okay, we already discussed tables and chart. How to start a MS Word? How to start a MS Word? We can start MS Word in the following ways. Double click on MS Word icon. What is the first way? The easiest way. If the MS Word icon is present on the desktop, that is on the top of the monitor screen, you can double click it. Very simple. It can be opened. That's the easiest way. And the second one is, if it is not available. For example, it is not available. Mostly it is not available. We are always going to use the second option only. What we have to go? We have to go to the start button, which is present at the left corner, okay, of the desktop or the monitor screen. And what we are going to do, we are clicking on the all programs, then we are going to MS Office, then MS Word. Whatever the version that is installed, that will be there. The components. So actually this is not there. This is, so this is the explanation about the MS Word.